And with nursing homes being the most vulnerable during the pandemic, visits have had to be restricted between residents and their loved ones. Local 5's Paul Evenson shows us how one senior living community in Kaukauna took action to bridge that very difficult gap.
St. Paul Elder Services regularly train their staff for emergency preparedness, including pandemics. But some things you simply can't plan for.
Having to tell families that they were not going to be able to visit here, and having to tell them that that prohibition on visitation might last upwards of a year, that has been something that we never could have prepared for.
In an attempt to ease the minds of the residents' loved ones, the community's communication specialist took action, or shall we say lights, camera action, and began chronicling the steps St. Paul was taking to keep residents, staff, and volunteers healthy. What began as a project to merely record a historic pandemic turned into a nearly 20-minute documentary showing what life was like behind these walls during COVID-19.
We wanted to give families especially a glimpse into what's happening inside of our facilities and all that we're doing to not only take care of their family members physically in terms of infection control and prevention, but also socially, and really demonstrate that our staff are stepping in and filling in as families at a time when family can't be here.
Family members like BARRIBEAU, who had the chance to have their voices heard.
They're so pleasant about bringing our food to us.
And their faces seen in the documentary, even though she hasn't seen it herself.
I've heard so many good things about that interview. I haven't actually seen it, except when Micky and I were in it for a short while.
And much like the filmmaker, Sister Cecilia joy, the film is spreading some much needed joy, not only outside these walls, but inside as well. In Kaukauna, Paul Evenson, Local 5 News.
And the documentary can be viewed on St. Paul Elder Services YouTube channel and Facebook page and will serve as an historic record of life during the pandemic.